again, looking at it, I know it begins with 8. And the reason for that is 8 squared is 64. The trouble with the ending, if you think about it, it could either be a 3 or a 7. The reason for that, when 3 is squared, it's going to give you the 9, or when 7 squared, it gives you 49. So my problem is this: it's going to be 8 plus a tens place. I don't know what that is. Let's see, plus a hundreds place, thousands place, and 10,000s place. It's much more difficult. But again, what Wells does, he starts the algorithm this way: perfect square, with the understanding the a would be 8, and then he follows this until he gets to that trailing place, and it's work. To me, it's a lot of work, and for a number like this, there's a large number of digits over here. It's going to start with an 8, and then you're going to have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a lot of work. What I'm suggesting is, I don't like doing that work, but some students do. And again, this algorithm is still being taught. And although it's not being taught as related to polynomials, it's being told it's a numerical algorithm. And it does work numerically, right? What do? They do something very similar to what we're doing over here. And for squares, by the way, there's also an algorithm for cubes, fourth powers, and so on, right? But it's based on what Wells is teaching over here. The whole thing is based on that. I'm just going to claim that doing this problem over here, I know it's 8 point something, and the last digit in that something part is either going to be a 7 or a 3, all right? But the 8's pretty obvious over there. But my claim again is, I think we've moved beyond that. Now, by when I say move beyond that, we have not moved beyond the understanding of our shared history for mathematics or arithmetic, and you probably should look into that. There's plenty of YouTube videos online that go through that algorithm. And again, in some parts of the world, it's still taught and tested. All right, what do you get there? 8.0567. All right, as expected. Wells' algorithm also produces in the end. Remember what I said about this. I knew the first digit was 8. The last digit was either going to be a 3, because when 3 is squared is 9, or a 7, because when 7 squared is going to be also ends in a 9. All right? Thank you.